Hi, this is Chris from Cloud Computing for Kids. Today we're going to be focusing on what is cloud computing. So, cloud computing is a way to share on demand computing resources on the internet. For example, on demand resources such as virtual machines, virtual networks, storages and backup, and software applications and computing platforms are all on demand resources you can access using the cloud. So this means that it is very powerful because you don't need to have gigantic servers to be running all of these resources. You just uh, are able to access all of them through the cloud. So here we have the cloud computing environment. On the outside of the cloud, we have things such as your laptops, your desktops, your phones. These are all physical things you can use to access the cloud. On the inside, we have applications, platforms, and infrastructure. So something like Gmail is run on the cloud. You don't have a physical Gmail server with you, however, you're still able to access it. Here we have a few cloud computing providers. This course will mainly focus on Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is the number one cloud computing provider as of now. It is an extremely powerful tool, and many companies use it, such as Netflix. It stores its movies and software on AWS. AWS is pay as you go, which means that if you use a little, you'll pay for a little. However, if you use a lot, you'll pay for a lot. And it is an extremely powerful tool. It can start a virtual machine within seconds, and if you don't understand how powerful that is very powerful. That was just a very brief summary of cloud computing. In the next video, we'll use AWS. Thank you for your time.